Welcome back, everyone. And I just want to say thank you all for tuning in. Thank you all for being a part of this journey. And today we are going to be bringing you guys some new information that is old information, but is great information. And that is reminding you all of the secured credit card being one of the best gifts that you can give during the holiday season. But specifically, I always like to talk about the nRewards secured card from Navy Federal Credit Union, as that is the credit card on my journey that I feel like changed my journey, and I feel like has set me out on a different scope from when I initially began involved in credit. So today I'm going to give you guys 5 reasons that you should get the nRewards card, and make sure that you guys stick around to the end so that you hear all 5 reasons and get some more insight behind this card and why I believe so firmly in it. So let's start with reason number one. Reason number one, and the reason why you would get any secured card, is because it's going to help you build your credit profile. Secured cards give you a revolving trade line. They're going to help you when it comes down to your utilization, which is something that cannot be done with the secured loan product offered by Navy Federal. So, in the instance that you can't do anything with your secured loan product to get credit utilization and you don't have any other revolving products, why not go for the nRewards card and get a card with Navy Federal? So, um, you know, this leads prime right into reason number two. Navy Federal is the largest credit union in the country. It is built for service members and was made with your best interest in mind, to help, of course, service members and their families. So it's good for you to build a relationship with Navy Federal, as they're going to give you low interest rates, they're going to give you high limits, and they're going to work with you to help you on your credit journey. So why not build a relationship with the strongest credit union in the country? Now, a reason number three. Navy Federal offers opportunities for you to get your security deposit back, as well as for you to raise your limit on this card. So if you get this card and you do what you're supposed to do with this card and treat it appropriately, this card can in 6 months completely become unsecured, which means they will return your security deposit to you, or in 3 months it could become partially unsecured, which means that they will raise your limit but they will still hold your security deposit. This is going to allow you to raise your limit, drop your utilization, as well as get your money back, so that you don't have to worry about keeping your money in this card to keep it open, which is going to affect your long-term credit goals. Because a lot of the times we get secured cards that don't unsecure, and then we're stuck in situations where the bank is holding our money, and the only way for us to get our cash back is to close out that credit line, which would in turn make it a situation of opportunity cost and figuring out what you value more, the credit age or the cash. Now, number four is going to be the benefits and rewards on this card. Now, of course, there are secured cards on the market that have better rewards, as this card only offers you 1 times points as far as the rewards. However, you get so many other benefits with this card. There's no limit to the rewards. You can redeem your points for cash, gift cards, or other merchandise from the Navy Federal portal. There's cell phone protection. You can get a car collision damage waiver for when you rent a car. And there's so many other benefits that are offered, rather you get the Visa or the MasterCard version of this credit card, that are just priceless. Now, the Last thing, number 5 that I wanted to talk about is contactless pay. Due to the whole situation in the world right now and people being in fear of transmitting any type of bacterias or viruses or anything to that nature, Navy Federal answered its members' call and implemented contactless pay in the new cards. So therefore, you also have that opportunity to use contactless pay and avoid getting in contact with any potential pathogens. And lastly, but not least, of course, I had to add a bonus to this video. I could keep going on and on and on about Navy Federal and about their credit products and their secured products and which ones to get. But nonetheless, I love Navy Federal's customer service, and that's one of the main reasons why I stick with them throughout my credit journey, and I continue to promote them and promote their products, because you taking advantage of a bank with good customer service is always going to be helpful. They're open 24/7. They're open on holidays, and they're always there for you with a caring conversation with any questions that you may have along your journey. So with that being said, I want to thank everyone for tuning in, and we'll see you guys in the next one.